Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with honesty, expertise, and a little flair. If you've ever struggled with filling in your brows just right, achieving that natural, polished look without overdoing it, you'll want to stick around. Today, we're examining the ARTDECO Eyebrow Designer in Medium Dark, a dual-sided pencil designed to refine your eyebrows, fill in sparse areas, and give you that effortlessly blended finish. The ARTDECO Eyebrow Designer is compact yet cleverly designed. One end features a pencil that can be sharpened for precision, while the other has an integrated brush for blending and shaping. Its texture is soft but firm enough to apply evenly, and it's completely fragrance-free and color-neutral, meaning it won't interfere with your skin's natural tones. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and comes from ARTDECO, a German brand known for offering high-quality makeup at affordable prices since 1985. When I put this pencil to the test, I was impressed by how easy it was to incorporate into my daily routine. The pencil glides smoothly across the brow without tugging, and the integrated brush blends the product seamlessly, giving a natural finish without any harsh lines. I tried it during my morning makeup, and again in the evening after a long day, and the pigment held up well without smudging. Its long-lasting formula gives you confidence that your brows will stay neat and defined throughout the day. On the plus side, the pencil's dual-sided design is incredibly convenient, allowing for both precision and blending in one tool. The texture is soft yet precise, the brush works beautifully for shaping, and the vegan, fragrance-free formula is gentle on sensitive skin. On the downside, because it's compact, the pencil needs to be sharpened frequently to maintain a fine tip, which could be a minor inconvenience if you prefer twist-up pencils. In terms of value, the ARTDECO Eyebrow Designer offers premium quality without a steep price. Considering its long-lasting formula, dual functionality, and vegan, cruelty-free credentials, it represents solid value compared to higher-end alternatives. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are eyebrow pencils with similar pigmentation and blending brushes available from other drugstore brands. But they might not match ARTDECO's refined texture or color neutrality. The build quality is sleek and durable, with a pencil that sharpens cleanly and a brush that doesn't fray after multiple uses. Since it's a pencil, the longevity of the product is tied to how often you sharpen it, but the formula itself is reliable and long-lasting on the brows. ARTDECO's reputation for quality and ethical sourcing adds peace of mind, even if you haven't had direct experience with their customer support. Overall, the ARTDECO Eyebrow Designer in Medium Dark performs beautifully. It gives natural-looking, well-defined brows with minimal effort, making it ideal for anyone seeking precision and blendability in a single tool. If you're aiming for polished, everyday brows, or just want a reliable, vegan-friendly pencil for special occasions, this product delivers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to grab your own ARTDECO Eyebrow Designer is in the comments and description box. If you've already tried this pencil, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.